Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to discuss some of the free certification courses by TCS ION. So friends, if your resume is not getting selected, okay, so you are applying for many jobs, but your resume is not getting selected. The only reason is your resume is not up to the mark, or you have not done enough things so that you can showcase in your resume. But there are many people, there are many students who has done a lot of courses, and that is helping their resume to get selected, right? Okay, so when we apply for the job, definitely the student gets selected, but the student, those who have done a lot of courses, okay, their resume will get selected first. So friends, TCS has started a career age young professional be a future ready youth course, and that is completely free. So that is completely free, I'm telling you again. So there is, you do not have to pay any single penny of amount, okay, for doing these courses. Okay, so I will take you through the courses. You need to log in, and you will be also getting the certificate at the end. You can see certificate of achievement. So congratulations Pratik Kumar for successfully completing TCS ION career age young professional, a course that covers communication skill, presentation skill, soft skill, career guidance framework, resume writing, group discussion skills, interview skills, business etiquette, effective email writing, telephone etiquette, accounting fundamentals, IT fundamental skills, overview of artificial intelligence. Okay, so there are a lot of information. There are a lot of certification, and there are a lot of courses for which you are going to get the certificate, and the same you will be also able to mention in your resume when you are applying for a job. Even for TCS interview and all, you are going, you can say, sir, I have successfully completed the communication skill training, presentation skill. Okay, all this you can mention. Okay, now so let us see some details about that. So the session will be in English. Okay, so the language is English. Course format online, so you can at any place of India, if you're residing, you will be able to do this course. Duration will be 2 weeks, and commitment 7 to 10 hours per week. So if you are giving 7 to 10 hours per week, that means 2 hours per day, then it is more than sufficient. Who would benefit? So undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate. So this is for undergraduate, even postgraduate, and uh, you know graduates and freshers. We can go through that. There are no prerequisites for taking the courses, and it is completely free. You just need to subscribe, and then you will be able to start within a year. At any point of time, you will be able to complete the course. So about this course, the job market today is fraught with challenges and is more competitive than even before, requiring you to put their best foot forward to win. If used smartly, this period can be a self transformational stage for them. Friends, people are paying a lot for these courses, which you are completely going to get it for free, and that too, it will be done by definitely the TCS employees. Okay, and they have a very high experience and good experience, and definitely they will be able to give you this training. So you can see day one, all the modules has been divided: communicate to impress, enhance your verbal and non-verbal communication skill. That means the way we we use your hand, your head, everything. Okay, then develop soft skill. So soft skill for the workplace: write a winning resume and cover letter. So even the resume writing will be taught here. Then deliver presentation with impact, gain guidance from the career gurus, stay ahead in the group discussion, and many more. Okay, so if you'll go through that, then the module has been divided in 15 parts basically, and 15 days a year. Your assessment will be very, very easy, and you will be able to get the certificate as I showed you. Okay, so if you have any kind of questions, you can directly contact them. Okay, now once you subscribe this, so once you click on subscribe, then you'll have to put your email ID and password. So I have already entered. Then you can see here, you'll be able to see TCS ION career age young professional offered by TCS ION, and this is already subscribed. Okay, and then they will give you almost 1 year to complete this course. I mean, any 10 days in a 1 year, you will be able to do that. But as soon as you complete, you will be able to get the certificate, and then you can download the certificate from here. I have already downloaded, and that certificates you will be able to see. So certificate of achievement, congratulations Pratik Kumar for successfully completing. Okay, and you will be able to watch the video from here itself, right? So I just now I showed you. So you will be able to subscribe from here, and then you will be able to see. So let me put my password. Okay, so and then let me log in, and okay, close. So already I have subscribed, and then I can, okay, So you can see it is already subscribed for me. And then I can go to my profile and I can see, okay, let me see my dashboard, what is visible here. Okay, so these courses are there. And from here only, you will be getting a button to play because already I have completed it. Otherwise, you will be able to play from here itself. Okay, so you will not have any kind of confusion. Okay, you can see. So already I have completed it. Otherwise, you will be getting buttons to play. So you will not have any kind of doubt. Okay. Now, friends, the second thing which I wanted to tell you. So because I got a lot of feedback from the student that, sir, I am getting, front end development test, back end development test, but I'm not getting any kind of, the development where front end and back end both is there, right? Like full stack development. Okay. So full stack development test is also live now. I mean, you will be able to write from 15th of December. Friends, I again wanted to tell you, so if you do not know about the Relevel, so Relevel is a platform which is giving a lot of opportunity to the student, those who are really willing to earn more. Okay, so in my earlier videos I have talked. So a 20-year student is getting 40 lakhs package. Again, another student of 21 years, so he's getting a package of 28.5. And Cred and other companies, right? So Cred, CureFit, Upgrade, so these kind of companies are paying so much of money, so much of salary to the student, those who have the talent. So now, so your queries has been heard, and this link will be given in the description. And now you just need to click on get hired, and definitely you'll have to log in it. So before so once you log in, then you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, and here you can see earlier we had business development, business analytics, front end development, back end development. Then what is new here now? So the new thing here will be, so let me scroll down once. Okay, so if you scroll down in this particular page, okay, so you can see now we have full stack development. So the backend and the front end development test, both test at one place. So you will be able to write, so you will be able to write the full stack development test, okay, which is having both backend and front end. Okay, so I will take you through. So skills required, so if you have programming fundamentals knowledge, DSA, code quality, HTML, CSS, React.js, Node.js, or Python or Java, then you will be eligible to write this test. You will be eligible to apply for that. Test structure, so phase one will be back to basics. So we have done a video on back to basics, okay, mock test, where only basic questions will be asked to you, so you will be able to understand that. And then assess your algo, so this will be round two. So in the first round you have to score 150 out of 300. In the phase two, so you'll have to score 700 out of 1000 to qualify for the Relevel placement. So building the back and then creation of the front, so back end and front end, and then you'll have to face the interview. Okay, and friends, the syllabus, the instructions, everything will be given here, so you can download the syllabus. Basically this is a brochure, and you can go through that. Okay, and even the frequently asked questions also you will be able to go through. Okay, so now friends, you can see here, so the syllabus will be available here, full stack development. So you need to go through the syllabus for each and every round. Okay, and once you go through the syllabus, then what you have to do, so you'll have to book your free slot. So this exam is completely free. You do not have to pay any single penny, any single amount for that. Okay, now you can click on book your free slots. So these slots will be available from on or after 15th of December. Okay, so you'll have the slots December 15 and December 18. Now friends, if you're not booking the slot, then what will happen, the slots, there is only 2 slots is open. So if the other students is applying for this, if other student is booking the slot, then you will not get any slot, at least in this particular month. So friends, do not delay. So right now, if you are interested, then please go and click on book test. Okay, so I have selected the date 15, and you can see admit card, full stack development, December 15, and your test will start from 10 a.m. Laptop or PC with an internet is mandatory to take the test. Okay, so friends, as you are aware, and you can also see, so Tanishq Singh, he has scored 874 out of 1000, and he has got selected in Cred. Okay, and he has own MacBook. And then Atharva Reddy, so he has scored 855 and got selected in Graphy, and he has own iPhone, right? Okay, so there are many companies are there like Upgrade, there are many companies like Cred who are there to hire you. Okay, so you can see they are paying to backend developer up to 38 lakhs per annum. Okay, front end developer they are paying up to again 38 lakhs per annum. Okay, so you see there are companies are there and who are paying, and there are also students who has got the job. So please do not miss the opportunity. all these companies are really there for you, and they're not charging anything from you. The best thing is, so you have to apply for free. Everything is completely free for you, right? So there is no problem in giving a, giving a try into that. So please give a try, and we don't know where our luck and where our talent will take us. Okay, so very few companies are giving this opportunity for free. As you know, there are other companies like TCS, AMCAT, and all other platforms. They charge student for writing the examination, and that too, we will be getting a very less salary package in that companies. So golden opportunity for all of you. So please do write the test, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.